The only thing you missed though is you didn't have a finger here. So you hit the strip and then you were kind of doing some, you eventually got it back around. I do that all the time. That was the first 10 fish I caught, I call it ringing the dinner bell. I'm just like, I'm just, all right, so Parker, you got to say my YouTube intro since you're the closest one to the camera.
What's the intro?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Hill Country Grom. Please be sure to like and subscribe, yada yada yada. Today we're on the Frio River.
Say
my
it,
boy
Parker.
and at Nolo the band.
Woo.
Check them out on Instagram. Oh, it does get deep.
Woo, it's deep.
It gets deep.
Whoa.
Right.
We're not expecting that.
I wasn't expecting that neither.
All right, here we go.
I forgot your whole intro already.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh, Greg's not here.
Greg abandoned us.
Oh, that's like money, Rich. Goddamn snake pit.
That's a money float. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's the host with the most. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see what we can do. We're getting on some shit. Of course, I knew this was gonna happen.
Oh, wow.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Shit. Wow, that was fast, Greg.
Got a little bass finally. Yeah.
Cool, man. Bass. Got Rio Grande.
You got another sickie?
No, Rio Bay.
Rio bass? You mean a quad bass?
Quad bass.
All right, hold on now. I got a knot. I'll be right there. All right, heading to Jarman then. Got a couple fish. Very, very good. 1 pound fish. Gotta get here. Stop me.
Very, very good. 1 pound fish. That's a snake pit, brother.
What do we got there?
I think it's just a largie. Is it a spot? It could be a spotted bass. Well, its mouth looks kind of big. It's tough
It
to
is a
say.
big mouth.
Yeah. Either way, dude. Jarm's first bass on the fly.
Is
chat.
it facing you?
Bring him up, yeah. Go, you get close to it. Yeah, it's a wide angle lens.
Very, very good. A 1 pound fish.
Yeah. Several bass over here. Yep, he's taking it. There it is. That's not bad. It's a nice sunfish. Yep.
Wow, crazy. Yeah.
Pretty one.
What is that bad boy?
This is a, ow.
Gordon, come here.
That was a long ear plain sunfish.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
There's a.
Is that like swimming territory?
You pretty much get up to that.
Ah, fuck.
Fucking all the way.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah. What the fuck is this? That's the biggest fucking bluegill I've... Oh no, I'm gonna lose it! Holy shit. Yo, help.
Help? You need help?
I need a camera phone.
Camera phone?
Yeah, this is a PB, dude.
You want it? I don't have that phone. We can bring it.
What kind of fish is that again, Greg?
Bluegill. It's some kind of bluegill. I'll tell you the real name when I get home. I think this is a red ear, technically. Of course,
get
it's
out
my
of
PB red ear.
Yeah. I got one.
Yeah, let's
Good.
go.
Good arm.
Well,
Good arm.
let's go.
There you go, bud. On camera, too.
Let's go.
Let's get it. What are you, you little... Come on.
You got it. You got it. Keep getting his ass in here.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's a
Yo,
big.
this
It's a
looks
bigger.
nice.
It's a bigger
Whoa,
mouth
look at this, Greg.
Oh, that's a good bass, John.
Yeah.
Here, come. Oh. Ray, go backwards now. I'm gonna move y'all backwards and bring them in. Up into Papa. Oh, up more. Up more. Up more. Damn. Oh. Yeah. He's a fighter, boy.
Wow.
Oh, give me that bass. I'll get your thumb in there and show them what you did. Show those people what you did to them, dog. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, dog. Give her a kiss, you know.
Maybe she'll turn to a prince.
Yeah.
All right.
Good fish, dude.
Good shit.
That's a good spot over there.
I'm telling you, dude, you see them all just swimming around,
Yeah.
and that's the
Hey,
spot.
if you've watched this long, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already and liking this video. Your support goes a very long way. If you couldn't tell by kind of the lack of formality in this video and the excess of jokes, this was not, something I ever intended on becoming a formal video. This is a friend's trip to, my wife's family's ranch with just a bunch of our friends. Really cool weekend. Got to teach a bunch of people how to fly fish. 3 people caught their first ever fish on the fly. One of them, it was her first fish ever. I didn't get a ton of that footage, so it didn't make its way into this video, but that was really what was most exciting to me. On to the endorsements. If you like the paddleboard, please go over to austinpaddlecode.com and use coupon code GROM at checkout for 10% off your order. And you can have the same exact board that I do. But anyway, if you've been around this long, really appreciate it. Please keep watching, and I hope to get you some more content soon.